Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, at ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan, away bati natin di na namamalayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako palagi.
Babe, I love you so much for loving me this much. You're God sent and someone I never expect to have in my life. You're God's living testimony, telling me that regardless of my life shortcomings, regardless of when there are times that I am very unlovable, you love me. Despite of every imperfection and despite all the toyo and topak, thank you for always loving me. From this day forward, as I leave everything behind for a new life together, I vow to always choose you no matter what. Ikaw lang, babe, ang pipiliin ko sa araw-araw. At ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko habang buhay. I love you.
Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako.
Hi babe, I love you very much. I'm looking forward to spending the rest of our lives together, and I promise to be on your side through the highest of highs and the lowest of lows. You can always count on me. I love you always and always.
Palagi